Lucy Wiggin, Joel Dowsett, Nathan Williams and Scott Gibbs make up the 4Rs team: Rethink, Reduce, Reuse and Recycle at Brynclynnog Comprehensive School in Beather. The school started a pilot scheme in 2010 which enabled students that don't have access to academic routes the opportunity to gain skills in more practical areas. Together with their teacher Julie Davis, they maintain the school's recycling scheme, emptying bins for paper, card, bottles and cans and placing them in the right collection banks at the school's recycling centre. They also maintain the sensory garden, the quad and their nature reserve and are very aware of the importance of recycling and reducing the carbon footprint of the school.